Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for you, how to send gift messages on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. Update Instagram app. The first step is to make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and update if needed. Once your app is up to date, open Instagram and go to your direct messages by tapping the messenger icon in the top right corner. Choose the friend you want to send the gift message to. Tap on their chat to open the conversation. Now let's see. I can type, for example, Kubayb. Then tap to the search button. Tap on it to access the gift message options. Instagram offers a variety of animated and interactive gift options. Scroll through the available options and pick the one that suits the occasion. Once you've selected a gift, you can add a personalized message to go along with it. Finally, when you're ready, click the GIF. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to send gift messages on Instagram. It's a fantastic way to show someone you care and brighten their day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Instagramming.